Aloha and welcome back to Hi Now Daily. Now there's a new pilot program that enhances pediatric mental health support in Maui County. And joining me now is Remzi with the Hawaii State Department of Health and Sandra, who is with the Queen's Health Systems. Ladies, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
So this sounds like a wonderful invention. Can you tell me all about it?
Yes, so MPAL is a joint collaboration with Hawaii Community Foundation's Promising Minds Initiative, the Queen's Health System, and the Department of Health. And the main focus of the program is to serve as a warm line that provides mental health consultation to providers. So right now, providers on Maui, Lanai, and Molokai has access to the program, and the overall goal is so that we can increase access for providers so that they can get help for their patients when addressing behavioral health needs, so they can treat, manage the medications for their patients, and refer them out to mental health resources.
Wow, this sounds like such a wonderful initiative. Now, Sandra, can I ask you just more specifically on what the program really is?
Sure. The program provides free same-day support to pediatric primary care providers using a confidential telehealth platform. And so providers will have access to child and adolescent psychiatrists and care coordinators within 30 minutes or less. They'll provide services, like Renzi mentioned, for assessments, treatments, evaluation to patients 0 to 21 years of age. And what it does is it provides immediate access to child psychiatrists, which is currently experiencing a nationwide workforce shortage.
Wow, and who's going to staff that consultation line?
Yeah, so the Queen's Health System is the provider, the service provider for the program. So they'll be staffing it with licensed health professionals, like licensed child and adolescent psychiatrists and social workers. So these experts will provide treatment, medication management. They'll even help with care coordination to connect people to services in the community. So although Queen's Health System is the service provider, it's open to all providers across the systems or any healthcare system.
Wow, that's amazing. And Remzi, how is this collaboration really supporting the DOH's goals, as a whole, as a greater whole across the state?
Yes, so we're so thankful for Hawaii Community Foundation's Promising Minds Initiative for spearheading, and this really propels forward what the Department of Health is doing with our Pediatric Mental Health Care Access Program. Right now, we really hope that this can address the mental health shortages that Hawaii is facing, and that more youth and children get access to mental health care sooner. We hear a lot from families the need for their kids to be seen by a provider, and this is one of the ways that we're working on addressing these shortages.
That is so important, and I love how you mentioned just feeling seen and feeling like you have a space to have these conversations. Sandra, I wanted to ask you, how does this really impact, some of the future goals that you have looking forward?
Sure. Well, we know that this program works because we know that it works in Massachusetts and Seattle. And so the goal for us is to be able to kind of find the opportunity to expand this to rural communities across all the islands, and to be able to provide the service to anyone in the Pacific Basin.
That's amazing. Well, ladies, thank you so much. And where can people get any more information if they want to learn more and, of course, utilize MPAL?
Yeah.
So they can call the they can look at the Department of Health website.
Yeah, right there on the screen.
And then they can also look at the Queen's Health Systems website as well, and also Hawaii Community Foundation.
Absolutely. Well, ladies, thank you so much for being here, and make sure you guys stay with us because you're watching Hi Now Daily, and we'll be right back.